Hi everyone, welcome to another MarkSharks study session. Today we're diving into the amazing world of heat. And to kick things off, let's talk about a superhero you might know. Johnny Storm, the Human Torch from the Fantastic Four. Flame on! Imagine being able to fly and ignite your body into flames. That's exactly what the Human Torch can do. He can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Not only does he use his heat powers to battle villains, but he also uses them to create fireballs and fly around at super speed. Isn't that awesome? But beyond superheroes, heat plays a vital role in our everyday lives too. So let's explore what heat really is and why it's so important. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that makes things warm. It comes from the movement of tiny particles in all matter. The faster those particles move, the more heat is generated. This energy is essential in many ways, from cooking our food to powering our cars. Modern-day applications of heat. In our daily lives, we use heat for so many things. For instance, cooking. When you heat a pan, the heat transfers to your food, making it delicious and safe to eat. Transportation. Engines in cars generate heat to convert fuel into energy that powers the vehicle. Energy production. Power plants use heat to create steam that turns turbines, generating electricity. But just like the Human Torch needs to control his powers, we need to be mindful of heat's advantages and disadvantages. Advantages and disadvantages of heat. On the positive side, heat helps us in cooking, heating our homes, and even in industries where materials need to be processed. However, there are disadvantages too. Excessive heat can lead to fires, heat exhaustion, and even harm the environment by contributing to climate change. The phenomena of heat. Now, let's get into some fascinating phenomena related to heat. One of the most exciting is convection, which is how heat moves through fluids. Like when you boil water. The hot water rises to the top, and the cooler water sinks, creating a cycle that heats the entire pot. Another cool phenomenon is thermal expansion. Ever noticed how metal expands when heated? That's because the particles move faster and need more space, which is why you shouldn't install metal railings too tightly. And then there's radiation, the way heat travels through space. That's how we feel the warmth of the sun, even when we're far away. So, next time you think about heat, remember the Human Torch. He uses his powers to protect and save the day. Heat is not just a superhero's ability, it's a fundamental part of our lives, with incredible applications, benefits, and some challenges to manage. From cooking our meals to the science of how things move and change, heat is truly a superhero in its own right. Now, who's ready to explore more about heat and maybe become a superhero in their own right? If you enjoyed this content, give this video a like so it can reach other viewers like yourselves. And let us know in the comment section below what cool concept you would like to know in our fun MarkSharks way. Follow MarkSharks on our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram so you can stay connected and watch our next MarkSharks study session. To download and try MarkSharks for free, click the link in the description box below. See you next time on MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.